आपको बताएं कि सऊदी अरब में वजीर एअज़म शहबाज शरीफ फास्ट समिट से खिताब कर रहे हैं। आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
And economic changes. These changes have been powered by imagination, innovation, and action. Yes, bold, decisive, and consequential action. But the pace of transformation and change was never as swift as it is today, with the power of technology driving the world towards a future that only few could imagine in the past. We are well positioned to harness the dynamics of change. Tech power is a great equalizer. It can cut through social, cultural, and financial barriers and empower those who are equipped to leverage it. In Pakistan, I have seen with a sense of great satisfaction how young women and men are crafting their careers, like I have seen here today, here in Riyadh. What a wonderful sight, where men and women are working together for the good of mankind and their prosperity and happiness, and boosting their earning power by using tech in diverse fields within the larger digital metrics like e-commerce. My curiosity to learn and fascination from technology has led to close interaction with such experts. Serving as the Chief Minister of Punjab, أنا في الماضي جاء رئيس الوزراء البنجاب منطقة البنجاب في الباكستان لل10 سنوات. I saw the fruits of my policies when I introduced tech innovations in the educational health sectors. Using technology, we provided conditional cash transfers to schoolgirls, stipends, supported specially abled people, gave timely agricultural inputs to farmers, provided free laptops in hundreds of thousands to deserving and high-performing students, established a high-tech safe city in the city of Lahore, which is the capital of Punjab in Pakistan, set up smart schools, introduced digital technology in our immunization program, and linked markets for more equitable buying and selling. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe Pakistan is uniquely placed to leverage this change. We have one of the youngest population in the world. Most of these youngsters are equipped with the tools of the new digital world. They are hungering for more skills and more opportunities. Their talent is already recognized. Pakistan is the fourth most popular for freelancing country. Ladies and gentlemen, consider this combination: a large and young digital savvy population and a massive unmet demand that simply cannot be addressed through existing means of production. Today, a family in urban and rural Pakistan has access to mobile phones and internet, aspires to high education standards, wants to buy consumer products, and needs everything from insurance to healthcare. The importance of this huge demand can, I am sure, be well appreciated and recognized by investors and entrepreneurs present here. I have deep confidence in this young generation of Pakistanis. This is why I am fully prepared to invest our scarce resources of my government in providing them with enabling environment for innovation. While technology is unleashing new potentials, our world is also undergoing cataclysmic changes. Global warming is upon us. Extreme temperatures over time are changing weather patterns and disrupting the usual balance of nature and our ecosystem. Countries like Pakistan, with negligible carbon emissions less than 1%, are vulnerable to the adverse impact of climate change. Pakistan experienced historic heat wave in March this year and torrential rains from June to August, which led to devastating floods in Pakistan. And the province of Sindh, Balochistan, KP, and Junub al-Punjab, they were all inundated by flood waters. And this was not because of our making. It was purely climate change induced. Therefore, the northern globe has to appreciate and understand that the countries which have become or are becoming victim of climate-induced torrential devastation should be supported and given due help in terms of technology, in terms of design, to have strong, robust infrastructure, whether it's zira, it's agriculture, or industry, or any other field of undertaking. The rain and floods in Pakistan has affected 33 million people, and more than 1,700 people have died, including infants, children. More than 2 million houses have been damaged, and over 3.5 million acres of crops have been lost. Rose bunni kullu shaja fil ma' yani zahma kathir jiddan, lakin inshallah biiznillah we will stand on our own feet. We will work hard. We will work hard inshallah untiringly, and we are extremely grateful to our brotherly countries and friendly countries, including Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and my very respected brother, my leader, His Royal Highness Prince محمد bin Salman, created air bridge between Saudi Arabia and Islamabad and Karachi, sending food items, tents, and other very important items for flood-affected people. We are very grateful to our brothers in Saudi Arabia, and we are deeply obliged for this very timely support. Ladies and gentlemen, as societies place greater premium on sustainability, clean energy is the driver of the new economy. Looking back, my administration in the province of Punjab was exploring solar power in 2012. We established 1,000 solar power park in Bahawalpur, which is south of Lahore. It is since producing 400 megawatts with spare capacity to generate the balance. As Prime Minister of Pakistan, I am leading from the front for the development of ashra of 10,000 megawatts of solar power to meet Pakistan's peak load demand. Yani هذا الكهرباء من الشمس هذا لازم جدا للشعب الباكستان للمعاشي, because when we import oil at these and gas at these exorbitant prices around the globe, Pakistan, which is a developing country, cannot afford to finance the import bill to the extent of $24 billion, $24 billion. Our economy cannot afford. Therefore, we have, alhamdulillah, a lot of sun over there in Balochistan, in Punjab, in Sindh, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So we have launched a program of ashra alaf megawatts of kahraba min al-shams in Pakistan, and we are upgrading our rail, ports, airways, water, gas, power and digital infrastructure. With a young and growing population, the market is expanding. Our government is encouraging private enterprises to drive the economy. The government is investing in public goods. These too are available for partnership. So public-private partnership. And I would like to propose to my brothers and sisters sitting here from Saudi Arabia and other countries and globally, min al-alam, that here is an opportunity where the world wants to have green energy, where we want to avoid pollution and minimize our problems in the air. And the answer is Kahraba min al-ma, Kahraba min al-shams, and Kahraba and wind power. That is the future. And for that I'm here standing before you, inviting you to please come forward. And I, as Prime Minister of Pakistan, but at this very, very important forum, I am telling you very frankly, this wonderful gathering and wonderful arrangement has pleasantly surprised me. It has been a wonderful occasion to be here. I've been to such summits and conferences around the globe, but this is Davos in desert. It is a remarkable achievement by our Saudi friends and Saudi corporations and Saudi young leadership headed by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, Pakistan has many higher educational institutions. Some are recognized internationally. I propose, therefore, that the Future Investment Initiative should consider establishing a satellite center in one of Pakistan's leading universities to explore the rapidly growing Pakistani market and spur innovation among our young population. The satellite could become the center of a network of researchers, innovators, investors, and service providers to harness the capacities which, if optimized, would take Pakistan to a higher level of social and economic development. Ladies and gentlemen, Khitaman, Pakistan is open for business. Let me assure you, as the Chief Executive Officer of Pakistan today, that we as a nation are ready to reach out to all of you and entire globe and find potential investors and grab the future with both hands. As the Prime Minister of Pakistan, I am determined to deliver efficient and competent, transparent governance in these difficult times. I ask you to join hands with me, and together let's unlock and unleash our combined energies to carve the future we all want for our coming generations. Thank you very much, and it's a great occasion. God bless you.
वज़ीर आज़म
सऊदी फ्यूचर इन्वेस्टमेंट इनिशिएटिव समिट वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ सऊदी अरब में समिट से खिताब कर रहे हैं। उनका कहना था कि हमें बेहतर मुस्तकबिल के लिए मिलकर काम करना होगा। आज ये फोरम बड़ी अहमियत का हामिल है। मुस्तकबिल के हवाले से सऊदी हुकूमत का विजन लायक तहसीन है। मईशत की बेहतरी के लिए ख़वातीन को भी मर्दों के साथ मिलकर काम करना होगा। हमें आम आदमी के मियार ज़िंदगी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए इक़दामात करने होंगे। आपको एक बार फिर बताएं कि सऊदी फ्यूचर इन्वेस्टमेंट इनिशिएटिव समिट वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ सऊदी अरब में समिट से खिताब कर रहे थे। उनका कहना था कि हमें बेहतर मुस्तकबिल के लिए मिलकर काम करना होगा। आज ये फोरम बड़ी अहमियत का हामिल है। मुस्तकबिल के हवाले से सऊदी हुकूमत का विजन लायक तहसीन है। मईशत की बेहतरी के लिए ख़वातीन को भी मर्दों के साथ मिलकर काम करना होगा। हमें आम आदमी के मियार ज़िंदगी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए इक़दामात करने होंगे।